Found a KFO file inside a Kingdom Force game folder? This is a custom object data file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to work with these Kingdom Force object files. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade KFO file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. KFO files are object data files associated with Kingdom Force or similar game applications, storing game objects, character data item definitions, or scenario elements. They contain proprietary data structures used by the game engine to represent in-game entities with their properties, relationships, and behaviors during gameplay sessions. KFO files use formats specific to their originating game storing object definitions in binary or text structures. The internal layout includes object identifiers, property values, relationships to other objects, animation data, and scripted behaviors following the game engine's object architecture for efficient runtime access. For KFO, source game application is often the cleanest first option to test. Windows often fails to decompress all components within this complex format. Windows cannot display textures, models, or assets inside, so opening them needs proper tools. Initiate the process by right-clicking the KFO file and choosing Open With. Use Source Game Application as your first choice if available. If it's missing, move down the list. Finding the right reader might take 2 or 3 attempts. If the KFO file won't budge, stay calm. If your KFO file is still uncooperative, the time for guessing is over. Let's test these primary failure points immediately to confirm the source. First, loading in source game. Identify the source game from folder context or accompanying documentation and ensure it is properly installed. Game data files like KFO typically integrate through the game's content system rather than direct file opening. Launch the game and use scenario loading or content management features to access the KFO file content. Next, inspecting file contents. Open KFO files in text editors or hex editors to examine internal data. Readable strings may reveal object names, property values, or game references, aiding identification. For modding purposes, understanding the format enables custom content creation, though backup originals before any modifications to prevent game corruption. Finally, modding community resources. Search modding communities for the source game, like Nexus Mods ModDB, or game-specific forums for KFO format documentation and modding tools. Community-developed editors often support proprietary game formats, enabling content creation and modification. These resources provide tutorials and tools for working with game data files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.